Hi, welcome to my channel, Sewing with Mary Rose. In this video, I'm going to show you how I package up my orders for my Etsy shop. Today, I have 5 orders that I will be sending out, and I will take you along with me and show you what I do to get them ready to go to the post office. Before I ship my products out, I like to use this lint roller. I got this from Costco, I believe in a 3 or 6 pack, to just make sure that it looks its best before I ship it out. After I get rid of all of the lint, I fold it up nice and neat and I place it in a bag. I label all of my bags with the care instructions to help people who purchase these items know how to take care of it at home. So here are my labels, and what I will do is just get my envelopes ready to mail, and I'm picking up my order sheets here. And I have my order sheets, and what I do is I get all of my envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used to print my labels from a printer onto actual labels, and then I would use that same printer to print out my order sheets. I like the label printer better. It does the 4x6 size, and I will link that in the description notes below. So I've put all the stickers on. Next, I'm going to match up all of my order forms. Make sure I put the right thing in the right package. So I check the name, I check the address, I make sure that's correct. And sometimes you'll get orders that are for a gift for someone. If you get orders that are for gifts, I like to make sure that I package it in a way that looks presentable to give as a gift. So the next thing I'm doing here is just making sure that I have everything correct. Some of the orders have 2 items, so you want to make sure you're always checking, like this one will have 2. I want to make sure that I am putting 2 items in, and I like to double check. Sometimes my husband helps me with packaging things, which helps prevent any errors. And I've shipped out close to 1,000 orders already over all of this time I've been doing my Etsy shop. I always put a little note in each of my packages to my customers. It's just a nice personal touch. I think it's really nice, especially when somebody's buying something homemade, to write a little thank you note. My next one. And this one has 2 items. So now I'm going to write my thank you cards, and I'll just speed this part up so you don't have to wait for me to finish. I invested in this laser printer. It is the Epson ET-3760. I really like this. It's like I said, it's a laser printer. You have to put in toner in there. You don't use ink cartridges. The other item I mentioned is this Mumbine printer. It is a thermal printer, and it uses these 4x6 labels, and there is no ink in it. It just
does the address labeling by heat, which is pretty nice. You never have to buy ink for it.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video about how I package my Etsy orders. If you would like to see more videos about sewing, serging, machine embroidery, and how I run my Etsy shop, please hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.